Hey screen printers, this is Josh at Ryonet. Today I'm going to walk you guys through a three-part series that's going to show you how to print multicolor discharge. In this first video, we're going to be setting up and optimizing our screens for printing water-based and discharge. I'm going to start my process with these three 200 mesh screens. When you are doing discharge prints, you don't want to go lower than a 156 mesh because lower meshes can oversaturate the garment, and then the garment will have a hard time fully discharging. We are using a 200 today because the design I have chosen has some halftone, and a 200 allows me to capture that detail. My first step is to degrease the screens. To do that, I'm going to spray the screen with screen degreaser and then scrub both sides of the screen. Then I'm going to low pressure rinse both sides of the screen until all the degreaser is rinsed off. After the screens dry, the next step is to coat them with emulsion. Choosing the right emulsion is one of the most important steps to printing with discharge and water-based ink. I want to use a water-resistant emulsion, so today I'm going to be using CryoCoat with a 2-in-1 coating. After the emulsion dries, I expose my screens. Here I am exposing for about a minute. Exposure times will depend on the type of exposure unit and emulsion that you are using. After I wash out my screens, I do something called post-exposure, which is the simple process of exposing my screens to UV after I've washed out my image and dried the screen. This helps strengthen the stencil. Next, we tape up the sides and any pinholes we may see. And there you go. I'm ready to take these screens to press. Stay tuned for the next step in the process, mixing our custom Pantone discharge colors. Be sure to like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more awesome screen print videos.